Hello, everybody. Welcome. Here is your writing lesson for today. So, you should be done by now with drafting. So, remember, when we were drafting, we were writing the last thing we did was this, where you had to write where you wanted to go, right? The place that you wanted to visit around the world. Okay. Now that we're done writing our final draft, it's not really our final draft because now we have to conference. We have 3 more steps. We have conferencing, revising, editing, and then we have publishing. So we have 4 more steps actually. So now that we did our draft, now we're going to talk about conferencing. Conferencing is based on your classmates' feedback. So what we're going to do is your classmate is going to read your work. You're going to work with somebody, and your classmate is going to read your draft, and everyone's going to get a piece of paper that looks like this. My Onliners, it's the one that's on the screen. Okay? It says conferencing. Based on your classmates' feedback, they're going to circle yes if the answer to the question is yes. They're going to circle no if you still need to work on that part. So, the first part says, do I need more information? So your first step is your buddy is going to take your paper and they're going to say, okay. You're going to you're going to say, okay, and they're going to read you're going to read your paper first. So let's say me and Jasmine are working together, and I say, okay, Jasmine, who's to go first? She'll say, I'll go first. So I'll say, okay, give me your paper. I'll read Jasmine's paper. After I read her paper, I'm going to look at this and see, do I need more information? Does she need more information, or does it all make sense? If yes, like to add words, phrases, or sentences to better explain her ideas, like if it doesn't really make sense and you think some of her stuff needs better explanation, you're going to circle yes. If you think no, that it has a lot of information and it all makes a lot of sense, then you're going to circle no. You're going to either circle yes or no for her. And then you're going to read the second one. Do I have information that does not support the central idea? My central idea was visiting Antarctica. Do I have information on there that talks nothing about my trip to Antarctica? Do I have a part in there that talks about what I did for recess yesterday? If I do, it does not belong there, and you need to click yes. You need to circle yes. I have information that does not support the central idea. And then the person will have to go back, delete the words, phrases, or sentences that do not belong. If everything makes sense and all the information there is relevant to your trip, then you're just going to circle no. The third one says, are my ideas clear? If no, rearrange word, phrases, and sentences so your readers can understand what you are saying. If I'm reading Jasmine's paper and there's a part in there where I have no idea what she's trying to say, or the grammar is incorrect, then I need to tell her and I need to circle yes. And I need to tell her what part so she can fix it. The third part, does my essay have an introduction? That means does it say where you want to go in the beginning? Does it have a body? That's the middle part where you give me details. Does it have a conclusion? That's the end part where you end it off a nice way. If yes, you're going to circle yes. If no, you're going to use your planning and draft notes to help you organize your ideas again. And then does the lead sentence make me interested in the topic? Yes, if it's interesting, yes. If it's not interesting, you're going to put no. How will you fix it? Pick one item in your writing that you want to improve, and then you're going to go back and improve it. So one thing that's, if any of these are circled no, then you have to go back and improve it in your writing. Do you understand? Yes. So I'm doing it for Jasmine, and Jasmine will go back and read my paper, and then she'll do the same for me. So how this is going to work, my onliner, is you're going to have to just read the conferencing stuff, and your parents will work with you on seeing if everything makes sense. If everything makes sense, circle yes. If some of it is not there, circle no, and go back and fix it. All right? Very easy. That's our writing lesson for today. For today and tomorrow, we're going to be working on conferencing. It takes, maybe online, it doesn't take that much time with your parents to do. But in class, since, they have to switch and then they have to go back and fix it, it's going to take a few days. So we're doing this for today and tomorrow for writing, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Maybe you're working on this. See you later.